As you start to walk out on the way appears roomy. Very often, people give up just a few turns short of the destination, although they have already covered the more complex parts of the journey. That's called quitting. As Vince Lombardi put it, winners never quit, and quitters never win. Walking on the fairway, there will come times when continuing seems impossible. Some days, or I should say some rounds, begin with shank and never return to the ranks. We struggle every step of the way to no avail. I have seen golfers yelling at themselves, throw their clubs, vowing to stop golfing, etc. in dire frustration. Some don't return to the course. Others work harder on the next short. Some leave it for the next day. Check reactions here. On some days, we play so well, the same person who was frustrated the day before begins to brag about his skill. A long putt can change the entire scenario. One small sign or one bit of performance can restore the real golfer within the frustrated one. So it goes with life. In deep despair, one inspiring sentence or instance can turn the tables around. Most importantly, we should remain in the game and never leave the arena. Consistency and continuity always breed chances. All you have to accomplish is to be there when it occurs. What keeps us going? Hope. Hope is the only thing that bridges most gaps. It traverses most rivers. It makes us climb mountains. Hope makes you work hard, and hard work is the door to success. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Walt Disney.